Holy Spirit is in you. He knows better than you yourself.
Amo bagay nang saiman di nini bagay tam nangko abo sisuk na hinga ke nini bisingo tongay folase.
Many times we'll forget what to pray.
Zoro zoro seng tam sulna nang seng ko itang payo.
But Holy Spirit knows everything.
Kaya ba fola bemang no saiman no seng tam sana na kam tam kay tang thani seng ya fana na.
I want to tell you one thing.
Amo ba kino ozoro te kaise kok sana no chungo.
You need 10,000 rupees.
Rom ni nang tabu 10,000 taka rang nang itong
You pray to God, Lord, I need 10,000.
Abo kan nang sam ka kay tang thani wo Kaitor ang 10,000 taka rang nang ugnay.
Sometimes what happens? The moment you say Amen,
Zoro zoro seng amen hini pa ke no.
you will go and ask neighbor.
Nang nini gan borong thangi sani 10,000 rang la nai.
Is it right or not?
Tabu nang sa sala sari. Nang san ba ka kay tang 10,000 sam ka. Kaya ba nini gan ne borong nang abun ya borong thangi sani pulung ke. Absar sa.
Why did you ask God when you are going to ask neighbor?
Nang kay to no thangi san 10,000 ke. Nang agar ni borong nang hai sana ja ke.
You trust neighbor than God.
Nang tabu ko sa gawang nini to mong obon nukza ka nang kay to ni slide nini gan ne borong no sa nang bisa slide ko bo.
That's the reason we won't get answers.
Abun ni bagay na seng kay to ni answer ro homani ha ko chini bagay ni ready Khlainai seng abo bai thani Khlainai manya.
If you take from neighbor,
Okay, nang to mong no puila na gara ka nin gar ni borong yaro ni.
sometimes they even charge interest.
Okay, abo nang rom di shoot gana ka pan na kana.
And second thing, after some time they will ask,
Te abang ko tam Khlainai aje borong no nang naka so thi sabe ra bo hai hai no san pi nai ni mar thai
will you return or not?
nang mar nai plus san ke naria nang korso no solong naka bonor san pa ke nang ro de nai naria obviously mar nai.
But if you ask God, do you need to repay?
Kaya ba kay to no san ka nang kay to no no re ka nang kay to ba hai nai sa san pi no tu di ano no mani pila nai sanya.
Which is best?
Cái tao nung bawa saja ko, nin gara ni borong no,
Asking God is good or neighbor?
nin gara ni borong no sama ada sako, hai ka ba kai to no sani man man apa sako.
If you ask God, stay quiet.
Nung to man kai to no sani pa kan ke, siring.
Lord, don't let anybody know that you need 10,000.
Nung je san mani, okay, a 10,000 kai to thani wo, abo take care no nung kena na ta thang sidi.
Depend on God, wait on God, think of God, He will give you.
Nung just kai to thani wo khabera subir sidi, bini thani na singi tong sidi, nung hai na hai yang nung sa supro na ta thang sidi, san ka nung kai to no, aro nung khabera subir tong sidi.
If you depend on Him,
Jeffrey nung kai to thani wo
He
khabera
will
subir.
not give you immediately.
Okay, nung je to khabera ka ba, tawang sur nung log yin malam sung ba kai to log yin nai nai.
He will wait 11:55 or 58 till that He won't give you. He will be watching you, your faith.
Okay, tangin nam log riang ka ke, bonai sing dai, kubu do por ana poi tu klai. Bonai sing ran nai. Okay, kaisa zorang apun nung ler sa ni mano. Kia ban nung ubui ke nai sing ngai aramang khabera to man kai to no, mang khabera to mani ba bono ya fa nai.
At 11:59, you will see.
Then nung sai ban de kaisa zor sok pai nai. Okay, kaisa gon da sok pai nai. Bono ro na ya zor sok pai pro ke, am ni ya kon ya fa re nai.
Because He is real.
Tang male kai to belai ka ha.
He is living.
Bok ka thang.
Our God is not a dead God.
Tang le sin kai to ku thai kai to ya.
Yes.
If you call Him, He will answer.
Bo tom bono nung tom no ringom ke bok ku ku yo answer wo.
When you said, Lord, I am a sinner,
Nung je pro salai ang saya kla kyo kai to ru nai.
He answered and washed His blood.
Tin je to nung saya kla kya ne kai to thani sa ka ba. Bono no jisun thi bai ke su sa wo ka thar ke ya li share ke nai.
Then will He not give you your needs?
Tai ta bu ni sum so no se bo su sai ri man hung ka ke. Bo ni nang ma ro no su pung ri man la ti ba.
He will certainly give you your needs.
Abu ni bari sai man di ni nang ma ro no bo su pung na mu sung za go te ru nai bo.
Your mother, wife, somebody is sick, ask Lord.
Okay, tomo ke korso lom kha ba hanyang ka. Ni khabera jak ne kai te ni phai sing o se.
He will give you.
বন্ধন রনাই রনাই
Whatever you ask,
Je
in the name
nang
of
san
Lord
mani.
and Savior,
যিশু খ্রিস্টের মুম্বাই
that
বন্ধন
will be fulfilled.
আবো রোজাক নাই
Only thing is you need trust.
tam nan ke nan poito nan subo abo se